What you're gonna need to make these delicious green sauce enchilada egg omelets is some of your favorite, or you can make it from scratch, green chili enchilada sauce. This is my go-to. It's really good, and what I do is I just put it in a heat-safe dish and I stick it right here on the griddle if this is the way I'm going to be preparing my egg omelet, and it keeps it warm, and it's just really quick, easy to melt your cheese when you put a little bit inside and on top. So I just like to make sure it's warmed up. I don't use it straight out of the can. You're going to need a little bit of sliced red bell pepper, a little bit of onion. I like the purple onion, to each its own. And this is about a half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. I have some sliced up chicken breast. I only did one chicken breast because this is a serving size for one. If you want to make more, just double everything, triple everything, do you. And I'm going to actually be counting calories and eyeballing it, and that's just what I'm doing. So I'm going to actually add some black beans to my omelet, and then you're going to, of course, need some eggs. So what I have is 2 brown eggs. I'm not going to use both eggs. I'm just going to use 1 egg and 1 egg white. And yeah, so I'm going to scramble that up together. First, we got to cook the chicken. And then for your toppings, you know, you're safe to do whatever you want as far as what you like on your omelet and or enchiladas. However you want to top it, go for it. I'm going to be doing some fresh salsa. So let's get cooking. Let's do this. I'm going to hit this with a bit of pan spray. Here is my peppercorn melody grinder. You could use black pepper. I just find the taste of this has been just hit me in all the right places lately, and I like it. Okay, so I already added a little pinch of sea salt. You don't need much because once again, the bouillon has a lot of sodium and it's going to salt it really good. So you might not even need that, but I just added a touch. While this has been cooking, before I flip it, I went ahead and cracked 1 egg with yolk and 1 without. So that's 1 full egg and 1 egg white. And I'm going to go ahead and mix it. Get this scrambled up and mixed up. All right, we are flipping and a tossing. This is smelling delish. And I think it is time to add a little bit of this enchilada sauce sitting on the sidelines. Okay, it's looking pretty good. I think we need a little bit more sauce. Continue to let it cook until it's cooked all the way through. Rinsed and ready. I'm not going to add them all. I'm just going to go ahead and add a few. Okay, let's mix in the beans. You could go ahead and add a little bit more sauce because it's just going to bring flavor to the beans. Okay, we're almost fully cooked as far as the chicken, and this is how it's going to look. And then we're almost ready to start making our enchilada egg omelet. And I've been cooking this on 375 on my griddle. My chicken's fully cooked. My enchilada egg omelet filling is ready. I went ahead and added some pan spray and moved my chicken over to one side, and we're ready to start making this omelet. I gave the chicken a quick toss. We're ready to build this omelet. I have it on 325. You want to make sure this is well heated so your eggs don't run. And you want to try to keep them together as far as just not spreading out too much. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit at a time. So it gets to cooking. You're going to add a little bit to the middle and just push it in. It's not going to look perfectly round, of course. You just want to keep it together. And this chicken is enough filling for about 3. So when you put it on your plate, you could actually present it as actual enchiladas if you like. But I'm just doing 1 for now. And you're not going to add your chicken mixture right away because it's going to hit bottom and you're going to break your egg. So you want to let this cook until it's almost fully cooked. And this is when you're going to add some cheese. And this is mild cheddar. This is the fat-free. You could get it at Walmart. It's a great value brand. I just wanted to try it out. It tastes really, really good for being fat-free. I enjoy it, but you're more than welcome to use whatever cheese you like. And I'm not going to measure it because I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on. It's probably not even going to be the serving size amount. All right, so now I'm going to add a little bit enchilada sauce on the inside. And then we're going to do the famous flip. Or the roll. We're doing the flip and roll. The flip and roll. Come on, baby. I can fit it all in there. I know it. There. Okay, we're going to add some sauce. And this is when you just want to drench it. And this is why I heat it. Because I don't want my omelet to cool down. So I actually heat it. A little bit more cheese. I'm going to let the cheese melt a bit. And we're almost ready to plate. And this is going to be delicious. I got some fresh salsa right here. Going to give it a mix. We're just going to put some on top. And you're more than welcome to top it with whatever you like. You sour cream lovers out there, that'll go good. You know, some guacamole, some sliced avocado. Any way you want to top it, it's all up to you. And one other thing that is missing for me is some pickled jalapenos and a few of the carrots. And to me, that's a complete dish. Done and ready to eat and enjoy.